Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. It's Mother Eagle here. Thank you for all our new subscribers. My God, our Eagles family is growing. We do have a Facebook group also where you can post all your questions. Well, today I wanted to talk about always doing your best. I was having a conversation with a friend the other day, and they were beating on themselves because they thought they were not doing enough. So it reminded me, as we go through life, strive to always do your best in whatever circumstance or situation you find yourself in. Use the tools you have on hand and the knowledge you have on hand to maximize what your very best is. And with your very best, it will change from time to time. Your very best when you're tired is different from your very best when you're well rested and well rejuvenated. But the bottom line is that idea of regret afterwards will not be there, because you did your very best. And it's easier to go through life. Hi, welcome. Let me know where you're watching from. And the beauty of doing your very best is you won't be regretful, and you'll move on easier knowing you did all you could with what you had at the time. Then also, when you do your very best, the regret factor is totally gone, and if you had an opportunity, you would have done maybe something different, but you really don't have to go through all that, because with the tools you had at the time, you did all you could. Then compounding is the best part of doing your very best, because we know every time you do your very best, you start accumulating all these small wins of doing the right thing for you at a given time. So with time, they start to accumulate, and there's an energizing factor that comes when you're getting all these little wins. And we know that success is an accumulation of the little wins you accumulate daily. It's not something that just happens, it's an accumulation. So with that said, as you go through your day to day and for the rest of the year, do your very best in everything you have, in everything you do. And you never know, from there, success will all be yours, knowing in your heart you did what you could with what you have. As always, this is Mother Eagle. Visit mothereagle.net. I'll talk to you soon. Continue leaving comments and sharing. I'll look at them after the video. Bye.